what would be the perfect work for you to have as a salesperson? Well, it's to work by referral only. So you think of those words, and I have a very good friend who built a company around this, trained people all over the country, became wealthy, and he said, if working by referral only is the very fastest way to build a successful business, and how do you do that? And then you work back to the present and you say, what would I have to do to deserve referrals? What would I have to do for people to eagerly give me referrals to their friends and associates? How would I treat them? What would I have to offer them? And then you begin to do that. And you'll find that top salespeople, I work with some of the highest paid salespeople in the world, every one of which started off with nothing, knocking on doors, dialing for dollars out of the yellow pages. And today they make hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars a year because they work almost exclusively by referral only. So what would I have to do to get people to like and trust me so much that they would recommend their friends, that they would put their credibility on the line? And there's enormous amounts of research on this. But the bottom line is treat people the way you would like them to treat you. Oh my, what a concept. Treat people like they're really important and really valuable. Take such good care of them and say, do you know anyone else who I could offer the same services to? And they'll say yes, or I just got a referral recommendation today from a good friend of mine. He said, I just started working with this company. They're doing a wonderful job for me. You should talk to them as well because they could do a wonderful job for you as well. This is a good friend of mine who is a top sales guy, but he is so impressed with the treatment he's getting from this other company, which is helping him to market. And I know the other company. He's telling me and telling other people personally, please call these people, talk to them, listen to them, look at what they have to say. That's good business.
Absolutely. Oh yeah, fantastic.
We call this customer advocacy. When you get your customers selling for you, then you're going to be very prosperous in selling.